close to 2,000 subscribers. I am now close to 2,000 subscribers in a short period of time. Now, I understand some YouTubers feel like growing on YouTube is actually difficult. It is not difficult. It is only when you don't know how to go about it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 proven strategies that work for me. And I believe this will work for you because this one is not something that is difficult. These 2 strategies, it actually work perfectly. Either you are a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber, or you are, and it's going to even give you watch hours. It's good. In short, let me show you how this work. Now, let's go to our creator studio, which is the YouTube studio. Okay. Now, when you open your YouTube studio, the first thing you're going to do, make sure you are in your dashboard. Okay. Now, check down. You're going to see content. Can you see content down? Click on it. Then what we need to do is to make sure that the type, click on shorts. Okay, when you click on shorts, click on apply. Okay, I want to show you guys something. Now look at this. Only this reel gave me 28,000 views. 28,000 views. Imagine your reel giving you 28,000 views. Now let's click on it, and I'm going to show you guys something. Now, when you come to this place where they wrote video performance, go ahead and click on the video performance. Then the next thing you're going to do is, now this is the view. It gave us 28.6k views on this particular shot. Now here is something you need to take note. Now look at this shot. Only one shot gave me how many subscribers? 21 subscribers. One shot. I believe, see, a lot of you don't understand that shorts will give you massive subscribers in a short period of time. Now, this gave us 21 subscribers. If this one could give us 21 subscribers, that means how many shorts should we be targeting? Let's calculate, for example. Let's open our calculator. Now, 21, let's just say maybe times 70 shots. Let's assume I post 70 shots. So it is going to give us 1,470 subscribers. No, let's try 21 by 50 shots. It's going to give us 1,050 subscribers. So that means one of the proven strategies you can use now is your shorts. Your shorts will give you massive subscribers in a short period of time. You can see how this gave me massive subscribers. You can see that's number 1. Now, the major proven strategies, now this one work for you. This you can see this one, you have to, the first strategies, you have to post like maybe 50 and more shots, but this one with 2 to 4, 5, 6 shots, you're already at your 1,000 subscribers. For example, make sure you come back to your channel, then search, click on that place, that search bar. We are going to be looking for viral shots. We're going to be using viral shots to do this again, which is our second strategy. Go ahead and click on viral shots. Now, rule number 1, look for viral shots that are below 1 year. Like, don't look for the one that is 2 years, 3 years. Viral shot that is below 1. Look at this shot, for example. This shot have 125 million views. 125 million views. That's massive. So now we are going to be making use of those shots, and make sure any shot you're using is a shot that have call to action, meaning subscribe. Okay, so now, and again, make sure that the shot have collab. When I say collab, I mean collab features. If not, you will not be able to use it. So now when you open the shot, you're going to see this icon you see me pointing at your bottom right. Okay, click on it and you're going to see collab. Okay, you're going to see collab. Make sure that it shows collab, because if it does not show collab, it means the creator does not want anybody to remix the video. Okay, but this is, you can use it, no issue. So go ahead and then click on the collab. Okay, when you click on the collab, now in case you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, it's very important to me. Hit it now. Okay, so now this video is a 15 seconds video. I mean, 8 seconds video. Okay, this video is just 8 seconds video, so meaning it's just perfect for our shorts. It's perfect. Okay, so go ahead and click on next. So when you click on next, we are going to be changing the pattern. You can see side by side. No, so I want the original video to be at the top, while me, I'm under. So choose top. Okay, you can see it's at the top now. So while me, I will be down, using my hand to just illustrate. You understand? So then I'll click on confirm button. So go ahead and hit the record button. Now, when you are recording, make sure you are doing your hand and like do gesture so that you don't just stay static. Do gesture, be doing gesture so that people will know that somebody is trying to point at something. You understand? Then go ahead and click on next. Okay. So now when you click on next, here is something you need to do. When you click on next, make sure that you do the same thing that person did. Okay, for example, the thumbnails that person used, we are going to be using that same thumbnail. So you can see that pen on the video, you touch it. So when you touch the pen, this will enable you to choose the right thumbnails for yourself. So let's go ahead and then click on that pen. So now we are going to choose at your bottom. We are choosing the right thumbnails that the person has also choose. So we choose it. Now you're also going to be putting the right title that the person puts. Don't go and put title. Don't go and use title that the person did not use. So you can see the person use any title that the person just used. Make sure and put the same title. Okay, after you have put the same title, make sure that your reels, the reels is in public. Don't put it in private. Make sure it is in public. Okay, put your descriptions. Make sure it is not paid promotion. Make sure it is not AI generated. Just make sure that everything is okay. After you've done that, go ahead and hit the upload shot. Now you can see the two strategy. Now first strategy is you yourself now targeting how many subscribers one reel can give you, and then you post more of reel. Now on YouTube allow you to post, in short, you can post 5 reels, 5 shorts. You can post 5 shorts in a day. So imagine posting 5 shorts in a day, and each of them, let's just target one subscriber. Each of the shorts, let's, out of the 5 shorts you post in a day, let's target one will go viral. Okay, then let's do this for 30 days. So meaning you have posted 150 videos. So that 150 videos, let's assume is only one that goes viral. It means 30 has gone viral. So multiply it, then you will see that in 1 month you have achieved your 1,000 subscribers. Do you see that now? And if you feel like you cannot wait for that 1 month is too long, then you can now do collab, whereby you remix another person's video, as like you collab with another person's video that has gone viral. So don't go for don't collab with any video that is less than 1 year. That is over 1 year. Collab with videos that are like maybe 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, maximum just 1 year. Okay, now make sure that you use the same thing that the title, the thumbnails that person use, and then you post it. So these are ways you see. You have to be smart, and this will enable you to achieve your 1,000 subscribers. This will not just give you, because YouTube can allow you to also get monetized with your shorts. If you can put like 10 million views on your shorts, then you'll be invited for the YPP program as well. So that's to tell you that you can do this in achieving your 1,000 subscribers. Now, after you have done this, you can now focus on your long form videos. Yes, you can see we not even talk about long form videos, meaning even within these 30 days, you will also achieve subscribers from also your long form videos. Okay, because I'm going to be doing another video whereby I will show you how to link your shorts to your long form video, because when you link your shorts to your long form videos, this also enable you to drag in subscribers from your shorts to come watch your long form videos. And the more you see, don't worry, in my next video I will also teach you guys more things to actually do in order to become a successful YouTuber. So go ahead, hit the subscribe buttons, turn on the notification bell, so that when I make videos like this, you get to benefit. I actually create videos on YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and video editing tips, which means my YouTube channel is just a good channel for you. All right, so see you in my next video. Thank you.